Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, joins us now. Kim, why don't we kick things off looking at where the crop markets stand?
Well, let's start with wheat. You go down south Snyder area, around $4.15. If you come north up at Medford in that area, it's right at $4, maybe just a little above that. If you look at forward contracting out to the 21 crop, it's $4.42. We've had about a 25-cent increase in wheat prices over the last couple of weeks. You look at corn, for a forward contract, the basis is a minus 26 off that December contract. Price is around $3.16 a bushel, and we've had a 15-cent price increase in corn lately. Milo, now that's the story. That basis is 50 over. We got China in buying Milo, and that Milo price is $3.92 compared to $3.16 for corn. Boy, I wish I'd have raised Milo instead of corn this year. Soybeans, minus 75-cent basis. We've had about a 40-cent price increase in beans with a price somewhere around $8.40, and cotton has been flat at around 60 cents.
Harvest is about to wrap up in the United States for hard red winter wheat. What is your take on the price outlook?
Not very good. You look at the USDA, they're predicting an average annual price of $4.50 a bushel. The last 5 years, Oklahoma prices have averaged 32 cents a bushel below the USDA price. That puts our projected average annual price at $4.18. The average price in June was $4.26, July was $4.12, August is around $3.90. So the outlook is for, I think, slightly higher prices as we go out into the fall, but not very much movement in it. If you look out over the next 5 years, both the USDA and the Policy Institute, Research Institute at Missouri project prices to be somewhere between $4.50 to $5 on the average for the next 5 years.
What does this outlook maybe imply about production?
Well, it implies that you've got to take a strong look at your cost of production, and that there's some wheat fields that just don't need to be produced. If you can't produce wheat for $5 a bushel, and that's the top side of this forecast, then you need to be producing something else on that land. I think producers need to concentrate on cost, they need to concentrate on yields, and they need to concentrate on quality.
What about the price outlooks for summer crops?
Well, if you look at the summer crops, I think there's some potential in corn and soybeans. China is the answer there. China's been buying beans lately. When they come in and buy corn, then we're going to have a rally in prices. But it's totally and completely dependent upon, I think, what China does. Some on the corn crops in the southern hemisphere and in Ukraine, but China is the big determinant of our price, and who knows what China's going to do. If you look at cotton lower production this year, lower ending stocks, but cotton prices just look flat until something happens.
With all this in mind, what should farmers do to plan ahead?
Well, I think they've got to take a strong look at how they're using their land. I know I've heard some landlords are saying that we're not going to do summer crops. We're going to go back to wheat. But if you go back to wheat, make sure you can produce it for less than $5 a bushel.
Okay, Kim, thanks a lot. We'll see you next week.